Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Teams invite and enabling recording or live transcription. This gives an accurate capture. Next, create the notes file in the Meetings channel or OneDrive so everyone can access it. Write attendee names, the meeting objective, and 3 expected outcomes immediately. This focuses the notes. Once done, add a simple time-stamped agenda with 2-3 items so you have anchors during the discussion. These anchors make follow-up and action tracking far easier. During the meeting, you capture notes by following the agenda timestamps. Mark when topics start and when decisions occur so you can jump back later. Write action items with a clear assignee and deadline, name, due date, so responsibilities are unambiguous. Summarize each speaker's point in short phrases, not full transcripts, unless it's a precise requirement. This keeps notes scannable. Also, flag open questions and parking lot items so nothing falls through the cracks. Those get reviewed after the meeting. You quickly clean the notes. Add a 2-line summary, highlight decisions, and list next steps with owners and dates. Share the file in the Teams chat and tag assignees so notifications are sent. Optionally create a follow-up calendar item for unresolved tasks. If the transcript or audio is missing, don't panic. Use the meeting recording to rebuild timestamps and re-listen to critical segments. This manual pass ensures accuracy and preserves accountability, even when automation fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.